Okay, I kind of wanted to talk about science and social studies so that you can kind of work on that for the rest of this week. We are talking about inventions. An invention is where somebody comes up with an idea of something that will help somebody else. So, first of all, we have an article here about Thomas Edison and his great inventions. He did a lot of inventing and stuff like that. So, with your study buddy or parent or grandparent, I want you to read about Thomas Edison and his great inventions. And then you've done that. Then you can think of something else that was invented, or you can use one of those in the article from Thomas Edison, and you can do a paper on what your invention is that you found. And you would put what the invention is, who invented it, and the year it was invented, what does it do, and how does it help someone. And then you're going to draw a picture of it. Okay? So like if Thomas Edison, he invented the light bulb. So you could say light bulb, and it was invented by Thomas Edison. And the year it was invented, you could look in the article and find out. What does it do? So you would write a couple of sentences about what it does. And then you could say, how does it help? And then over here you might draw a picture of Thomas Edison with a light bulb. Or you might do the cotton gin, and that was invented by Eli Whitney. And you can look that up on the internet, and you can get some information about an invention. So work with your study buddy about this science project this week, okay? Because it's not something you can do on your own. Then, because we're in this time of a pandemic, and we have a lot of people that are having to go to work as essential workers, and some of your parents have to go to work as essential workers because they have to get the job done. Also, I believe policemen are still out there, and so are the people that work in the hospitals, and the firefighters, and the people who work in the grocery stores. All of those are people that we have to have because we have to be able to go out and buy food and buy groceries. So what you're going to do for social studies is you're going to think about who are those people that are out there helping us, that are still doing essential work. So it says, write a thank you letter to someone that helps you. So during this time, I would like for us to write a letter to someone that is out there, that's still working, that's helping us, that's not being at home, that has to be out and work and all of that. So you're going to put the date. You're going to put the greeting, which says, dear whoever, like dear grocery worker. Then I want you to write a whole paragraph about what they are doing and how they are helping you. And then you're going to do a closing, and you can say, yours truly, or sincerely, and your name. So I want you to be working on those this week for your science and your social studies.